Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 2 of Investors Mindset. My name is Sean, and today was an amazing day in the stock market. The first trading day of the new year. Apple hit $3 trillion market cap, the first company to ever do so. What else can we ask for? So without further ado, let's get into my portfolio. So for the day, I'm up $1,267. This entire portfolio is brand spanking new. During the new year, I chose to take some money out of this account and reestablish all my positions. So all of these positions or all of these plays, either stock options or stocks that you guys see, are fairly new. So let's get into my first stock, Charging Point. If you guys don't know, the EV section is blowing up. So Charging Point, I currently hold 8 shares at an average cost of $17.79. I'm going to continue to buy and hold these shares to about $26. So every time it drops down to $17, I'm going to purchase some more of Charging Point until I get about 250 shares. So my next one, SoFi. If you guys don't know, SoFi is a loan refinance service. They currently do student loans. They're getting into home loans. And if you guys don't know, they actually paid multi-million dollars contract to hold their name on the Rams Stadium in Inglewood, California. So they're not going anywhere. My average cost of SoFi is $14.46. I currently hold 10 shares, going to establish this position till it gets around 100 shares, and we're going to go from there. The next one that I hold is Lyft. So Lyft is a ride sharing service. Everybody knows Lyft. They were hit hard in November. I currently hold 550 shares, and that average cost is not correct because I actually swing trade I actually swing trade Lyft, if that makes sense. Swing trade or day trade Lyft. So I have a foundation about 300 shares, and either I buy and sell about 250 shares a day. So for me to explain that, let me take you to my Instagram really quick so you can see what I actually did today. So I bought Lyft at $43.75. So I bought 550 shares of Lyft. So I held 300 shares, but I sold 250 shares at $1 profit per share. Then I rebought 250 shares again at $44.25. And I sold it again at $44.75, making $125 profit. So I traded today. I traded all about 30 minutes of the day, and I relaxed the rest of the day with my family. But you guys can see what I'm kind of doing from there when it comes to Lyft. So I'm going to continue to hold Lyft to around February 10th, February 15th, to around earnings time. And hopefully they go up to about $56, $58, and I'll make a pretty nice penny when it comes to Lyft. So we're going to talk about Lyft more during the year. So without further ado, let's get into my options contract. So Shake Shack is a luxury burger spot, if you could say that. They're in airports. They have standalone buildings on the East Coast, and it's just an all-around great food spot. So I hold 7 contracts at an average cost of $1.10. I listened to their Q3 earnings. They're projected to do $1 billion in revenue for the first time ever during Q4. So that's what I'm currently holding Shake Shack. I think they're about $120 per share company. We just have to wait and see. So this options contract, I have a call options contract. We're currently up 34%, which is about $266. So doing well on this option contract. What else can you ask for? So this is my investment portfolio. Hopefully you guys can look and further investigate into some of these plays, and let me know in the comment section how I'm doing. What do you think I should examine? What do you think I should look at? And I'll continue to update you guys on my portfolio as we move forward in this $100,000 challenge. And yeah, again, thank you guys for tuning in to Investor Mindset. My name is Sean, and subscribe, follow me on Instagram on Investor Mindset 22. Subscribe to the YouTube, and thank you guys for listening.